larger vertical transitions between two ceiling planes is costly, requiring vertical stud drops from structure. F vertical transition molding streamlines your soffit by keeping the transitional elements between your two ceiling planes and no framing to structure. Let me show you. First, we need to attach track or cam utility angle to our sub-acoustical or drywall grid ceiling. Next, we will raise up our drywall soffit drop and screw attach it to our track or cam angle. For secure panel end joints, simply attach and drop a cut piece of drywall grid, but make sure you terminate this piece 3 inches above the ultimate finish ceiling below. If you suspended your drywall wild, you will now need to chalk and cut off your soffit drop to the ultimate finished width. We are marking and cutting off for a 16-inch drop right here. For handling corners, we are dropping a piece of 2x2 20-gauge EQ cam utility angle. Now it's time to attach our F vertical transition molding, and we come to a corner first. On one side of your corner needs a 45-degree cut, which is best done with a metal cutting circular saw. The other side of your corner needs a traditionally hand-cut shadow mold treatment. Please check out our How to Cut Shadow Molding video for step-by-step corner instructions. This is your finished cut corner piece that will match up with your previous mitered cut. All the field cut notches perfectly align and lock the corner together, which prevents alignment issues in the future. Standard drywall screws penetrate the perforated mud flange and the inside F flange, which encapsulates your 5/8" drywall. We offer both 15/16 inch and 9/16 inch acoustical flanges. You can see the difference here when we're installing them together. These ceiling shadow wall moldings integrate perfectly with shadow F molding. Since this is just a common gyp soffit that only drops 16 inches, we only need to reinforce the sheetrock joints. Make sure you locate your ceiling hanger wires close to the gypsum F molding so that the drywall is not supporting the ceiling. If this soffit drop was larger, you would need to install 4-foot on center vertical drywall tees with route holes that line up, so you can simply stab 16-inch on center lateral 4-foot cross tees. This will ensure that you meet your framing requirements. Make sure you keep all of your drywall framing 3 inches above so you can get your ceiling panels in, plus the installation of any clips that are needed. Your next step would be to screw into the vertical and horizontal drywall grid framing that you just installed on the inside. 2 clip accessories will eliminate the need for pop rivets to the visible grid flange. The GCWA runs in front of the vertical F flange and is secured by a 7/16 inch framing screw. The Burt 2 clip installs similar to the GCWA. It also eliminates the need for pop rivets while performing in seismic DEF zones as long as this soffit is a float wall. You're now finished. The installation of your lower acoustical grid and ceiling panels is like coming off any other soffit. To learn more, visit armstrongceilings.com/transitions.